Welcome home to 15 Sandra Drive in Totowa, New Jersey, tucked away in the desirable Echo Glen neighborhood. This neighborhood is so convenient and super desirable. It has its own playground, baseball field, it's close to the Totowa pool, all major highways, and just a short distance from the Wayne Transit Center that will take you directly into New York City from the bus or the train. Let's go inside and check it out. You're going to fall in love with this open floor plan. I love the hardwood floors. You have a gorgeous bay window, and I love this floor plan because it's so versatile. So here we have a beautiful dining room table. You can put a couch here. You can do so much, and you can entertain a lot of people in this space. I also love the crown molding and the woodwork throughout. You'll see all the details. So come on, let's go into the kitchen. So right over here in the kitchen, we have custom cabinetry. I love the glass exposure. You have pull-out shelves in all of the cabinets, stainless steel appliances, this really cool island with the black and white look. I love these light fixtures with the Thomas Edison bowl. And you have this massive sink with a gorgeous view of the backyard. Over here, we have a beautiful built-in home office space. It's a great little nook. The first floor level is complete with a bedroom, a full bathroom, and a great living room space. Now I'm relaxing in the finished basement, which has a half bathroom. It's so nice and clean down here, meticulously maintained, and it's such a great space for family, entertaining, kids space. You're gonna love it down here. Now we're on the second floor, which has two massive bedrooms and a full bathroom. There's so much storage. In this bedroom, there's 4 closets. And I love how warm and inviting these bedrooms are. You have so much detail and really a great amount of storage. Thank you so much for coming on the tour with me today of this beautiful home at 15 Sandra Drive in Totowa, New Jersey. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1-car garage, beautiful home with so many details and custom work. You're really gonna love it, and I just obsessed with this deck and this yard. In the summertime, this is the place where you're gonna wanna be. If you want more information or a private showing, please contact us today. We can't wait to help you. Please share this video with a family or friend, and make sure that you like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to make sure you follow us for more videos. We'll see you next time, and remember, who you work with matters. It's Jocelyn from the Jocelyn Russo Group. Have a great day.